Right, so in this video I'm just going to show you me installing 8 hard drives. Each one has 16 terabytes on it. Yes, 16 terabytes, and it's not cheap. Now, I've already installed 4 of them, so what I've done for this video is take the 4 out again, just so you can see me putting them back in again. Because I know some of you like this sort of thing. Not everyone, but some people actually like seeing the hard drive being put in. So I thought, yeah, I'll make a little video just showing you how I do it and how easy it is to put them in. Now, I could have just put in the 4 and, you know, turned her on, and she would have been able to configure itself, or she would allow me to configure it. I keep calling her Shay. Have you noticed that? Yeah, my QNAP. Yeah, my newest NAS drive, QNAP. Check out the link in the video description. It's not cheap, it's very expensive, and probably overpriced for most people, including me. But I wanted to make this little video because I wanted to show you me putting hard drives in my NAS, my QNAP NAS. And also in this video, I am going to be showing you a speed test of my network. I'm going to show you my hard drives that have been installed, 8 of them, plus 2 M.2s. Yes, I have 2 M.2s. I'm not going to show you putting that in because I've already made a video showing you that I'm putting in one of my other videos. Check that out on my channel. Also, I'm not going to show you me configuring the hard drives because they're quite easy to configure, and I did play about a bit. I couldn't make my mind up which one I was going to go for, and I went for RAID 5 in the end. I was going to go for RAID 6, and that is what is recommended for 8 drives, but I changed my mind and I've done RAID 5. So it means if I lose one drive, it should keep everything safe. If I lose more than one drive, I've lost everything. So that's why perhaps I should have gone for RAID 6, but I haven't. And I'm quite happy with my decision. I've never lost a drive yet, touch wood. Let's do the speed test. Well, what do you think? That is blistering fast, in my opinion. Let me know if you think it's not that fast. I think it's humongously fast. Not only that, but if I plugged in a second cable and put that as fibre, I could actually merge them two together and get up to 20,000 megabits, nearly. And that would be amazing, but I don't really need that at the moment. But I might, let me know in the comments, I might in the future do that. Let me know if I should. So with that, what do you think? Do you like it? It's only a short video. If you like it, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, click on the bell for notifications. Because the more people that do that, it will help this channel to keep on growing. Thanks very much for watching.